Hello students, welcome back to the class. Let's learn about plants living and surviving part 2. Now plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. Now there are three kinds of aquatic plant: floating plant, fixed plant and underwater plant. Now first let's learn about floating plants. Plants such as the water hyacinth and duckweed float freely on water. They float because they have light, spongy bodies filled with air. Here you can see water hyacinth, which is floating above the water. So this is lotus. This comes under fixed plant. Lotus and water lily are fixed plants. The root of these plants are fixed in the mud at the bottom. The broad and flat leaf help the plant to float on the surface of water. The large leaves allow these plants to get enough air and sunlight to carry out photosynthesis. The stems are hollow and flexible, which allow the plants to bend with the flow of water. Look at this. This is underwater plants. Plants such as hydrilla and tape grass grow underwater. Hydrilla has thin, small leaves, while tape grass has narrow leaves that look like ribbon. They also have flexible stems. The thin leaves and flexible stems help these plants to let the water flow easily over them. They do not have stomata. They breathe through small air spaces on their body surface. Now, we are going to learn about adaptation for protection. Plants develop different adaptations to protect themselves from being eaten up by animals. The first one is poison ivy. To protect themselves from being eaten up by animals, some plants such as the poison ivy have poison in them. If one touches them, the poison in them will make the skin itch. In Malayalam, we call choriyannam. Now, the next one is spines. Plants such as the rose, cactus, and bamboo have spines to protect them from being eaten up by animals. Now, this is touch me not plant. This plant closes its leaf when touched. As a result, animals get scared and do not eat the plant. Now, let's learn about some unusual plants. Plants such as Venus flytrap and pitcher plant have grown in soil that is poor in minerals. They trap insects and feed on them to get the minerals they need. These plants are called insectivorous plants. The Venus flytrap has leaves that are folded into two halves. The leaves have air along the edge. Look at here, you can see there is air along the edge. When an insect sits on a leaf and touches its air, the leaf closes instantly, trapping the insect. The insect dies inside the folded leaf and the plant absorbs the nutrient it needs. Look at the second one. In pitcher plant, the leaves are pitcher shaped. They are bright colored and look like flower. They contain a liquid. When an insect enters the leaf looking for nectar, it falls into the liquid and drowns. So we have come to the end of the class. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. God bless you all.